your kids are taking it further than you took it in high school? Raise your hand. That's why we're here, because our kids are doing a wonderful job.
My name is Caleb Oliver, and I am the principal here at the amazing Manuel Dominguez High School of Compton, California. And we just celebrated over 500 students who earned a 3.0 and higher here at Dominguez High School. We do this every year. We do it during open house, and so we invite parents out to come and celebrate with us as we recognize these scholars. Also at 5 o'clock, what we do is we invite our families to come and explore Dominguez High School. They explore our programs from CTE pathways to our college access programs to our clubs. We have partners who come and provide amenities for our parents, snacks. We have our teachers who are here with us as well, showcasing all that they're doing in their classroom. So we wanted to do something special this year to bring our parents out to Dominguez High School and increase parent engagement. That's very critical to student success. That's the effort we put in today, and the honor roll ceremony is just a part of it. I want to say thank you to all the parents and all the community members who came out to support us this afternoon. This was a collaborative effort. This was not just planned by Dominguez High School staff, but Dominguez High School school community members. We all pitched in and we made this possible. So thank you. Thank you, parents, for coming out to support and show interest in the education of your students. It makes all the difference in the world.